The question is, find the linear approximation of sin x at x equal to 0 and use it to compute small values of sin x. Now, when I ask you small values of sin x, if I ask you what is sine of 0.00000045, what is this equal to? Now we don't know, and we really don't want to go into calculator because every time calculating this could be a hassle for us. So there
Mm-hmm.
is a way by which you can approximate this answer. Any of these questions, first thing that we will do is we'll find the equation of the tangent at x equal to 0. Okay, so let's find the equation of the tangent at x equal to 0. So first of all, what would be the point? If you plug in x equal to 0 in sin x, the value of sin x will be 0. So the point from which it is passing is 0, 0.
Mm-hmm.
Now for slope of the line, you differentiate sin x, it becomes cos x. Then you plug in
Mm-hmm.
x equal to 0, cos of 0 is 1. That means my slope is 1. So the equation of the tangent line will be
Wait,
y,
sorry.
yeah,
Why did you plug in? I thought the slope is just prime
yeah,
of the function.
yeah, slope is prime of the function. So prime of sin x is
Cos x.
cos x, but you would have to plug in x equal to 0, right?
Oh, okay.
So cos of 0 is 1.
Okay.
Okay, good.
Yeah.
Now y minus y1 is equal to 1 times, this is slope, times x minus x1. Now both x1 and y1 are 0. So from here you can simply say y is equal to x is the equation of the tangent.
Mm-hmm.
Tangent y was equal to x. In my function y is equal to sin x. So what I'm saying is for values which are closer to 0, sin x will be equal to x.
Okay.
Passes through 5 and 3. So now finding its prime, f inverse of x would be equal to half of x plus 4 into negative half. And now when you plug in the value of x as 5, when you plug in the value of x as 5, what you get is half of 3. So this is 1 by 6. So now your slope comes out to be 1 by 6. Now the line would look like y minus 3 is equal to 1 by 6 times x minus 5. From here you can say 6y minus 18 is equal to x minus 5. From here you can say 6y is equal to x plus 13. So my equation is 6y is equal to x plus 13. Now you have the slope and a point, you can write the equation.
Okay.
Alrighty, cool. Done?